Alrighty folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, looking at 2018 Ram 1500 Laramie. This is the EcoDiesel. Stock number is 28293T. It is a silver in color. It's got 20-inch rims on it. Turn signals here in the mirror. Nice big mirrors if you need to tow or anything like that. This is the 3.0 V6 EcoDiesel. It's got your heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooled seats in the front as well. You can put your phone here, 12 volt down here. Got 115 volt there. Your 4-wheel drive. Your hands free. Cruise control. Calling, your radio, all power, windows, doors, seats, cup holder here. Got your seat settings, one in your room here. Back row for you. Cup holders there. You got heated back row as well. 12 volt air conditioning, heat. You got storage here. Bed for you. Does have the backup camera. Storage is on both sides. It's just a really nice truck. Fog lights here in the front. Again, folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, looking at 2018 Ram Laramie EcoDiesel. Stock number is 28293T. You can visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com, or you can give us a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.